Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys sound and vibration setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we vibrate our Samsung phone, means guys how can we set guys phone on vibrate mode setting guys. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we on guys Samsung phone vibrate setting. So friends, you will have to on guys Samsung phone setting guys. So guys we will on guys our phone setting guys. So after on phone setting, I scroll it, and once click on my phone sound and vibration, guys, we will click on phone sound and vibration. Once you can see guys your phone vibrate guys setting guys, so we will on guys our phone vibrate here. So once you can see vibrate mode will on, and guys you can use guys your phone vibrate setting. Once you can see phone on vibrate mode. So like that guys, we can on guys Samsung phone guys vibrate mode setting guys. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to on vibrate mode in Samsung phone device and how can we use it. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.